The Cabinet Committee on Security, the country's highest decision-making body on national security, will be holding that meeting. This is the second. Do remember, last Thursday, 2 days after the attack, was a meeting that was held in regard to the security. And this is now the second meeting that's going to be taking place. And to know more on this, we have our colleague Aishwarya joining us. Aishwarya, the country's highest decision-making body on national security, will be meeting at 11 o'clock this morning, marking the second round of discussions. Take us through what all is on the agenda, and also this will be followed by the first cabinet meeting that's going to be held since the attack.
Well, certainly, and very important meeting and strategic in nature as well. And if we try to decode what's happening within last 1 week, it was first the CCS that was chaired by the Prime Minister and took major decisions to isolate and corner Pakistan diplomatically, and it had given shockwaves inside the Pakistani administration as various statements came in from the Pakistani side. Soon after that, there were a series of meetings that took place in the national capital, be it the briefing that was done by CDS to Defence Minister, Home Minister giving instructions, a review of sorts by different ministries who are involved in the decision that the first CCS took, be it the suspension of Indus Water Treaty or the suspension of the Pakistani national citizens' visas in the country. The deadline was given, and there were instructions that were given in large. Yesterday as well, it was at the Prime Minister's residence at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, where I am reporting from. It was two meetings that went on back to back. It was first the highest security body of the country, which involved the CDS, NSA, the three service chiefs and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who briefed Prime Minister. That meeting went for 1.5 hours, and followed by that it was RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat, who also met Prime Minister for almost 1.5 hours. The government is in a view that every organization, every political party who are in the power, and the government wants them on board as far as the decision is concerned. Today it is just not the second round of the Cabinet Committee on Security, but also the Cabinet Committee on Political Affairs and Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, followed by a full-fledged Cabinet meeting that will take place at 11 a.m. at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. Of course, the CCS will review what has happened in the last 1 week after the decisions being made in the first round of CCS, after Prime Minister Narendra Modi returned from Saudi Arabia and held that meeting, and major decisions were taken. The CCPA, which is also dubbed as Super Cabinet. I remember the CCPA last met in 2019 after the Pulwama terror attack. That time the CCPA signed off the document which had completely stated that Pakistan will not be further be termed as most trusted nation. And after that we saw airstrikes happening in the Jammu and Kashmir region. So this is a super cabinet which is rarely being called, and today that will be chaired by Prime Minister as well, followed by a full cabinet meeting. Of course, a series of meetings will take place today as well. It remains to be seen that major decisions or major outcomes can come out from today's meeting, or it will be a review of sort that the decisions in the past has been taken. The Prime Minister will inform to the cabinet as well.